Pow show in my saves. Show in my saves. Punta beep beep. Sa bawat galaw ay wala beep beep. Punta beep beep.
Hawak ko beep sa bawat galaw.
Okay, that's just the intro.
Bibig ka, ikaw
But we're gonna show my saves. And I have a lot of saves. First is a Scientist V2. I don't know if this one is one of my first saves. Scientist saves. Because there's a Scientist V1. But it's in order, okay? In order. Okay. Now Scientist V4. Napawa po tapi go away. Na Scientist V5. I'm just gonna show you all the scientists. Bawat galaw ay nabibip. Pawapunta bip. Pawapunta bip. Sa bawat galaw ay. Don't know if my game is laggy when I'm trying to spawn them. Pawapunta bip. A coral. Scientist V1. Balon. Scientist V3. Corn. A Scientist V7. It's dragon fruit. Okay, now, okay. I'm gonna show one. My game is lagging. My game is kinda laggy when I spawn in this. So I paused. So I made it in slow motion. This is a skip room torture. Okay, now my game is kinda laggy. Let me remove that. But the FNAF torture match. Because I love FNAF. I watched the FNAF movie. First, we're gonna test it on this melon. No, not that guy. Delete this guy. Pawapunta beep beep. Sa bawat galaw ay. And also, I gonna use a flashlight for this one because there is a light bulb there. Oh, punta beep sa bawat galaw ay. Gonna resize it. Punta beep sa bawat galaw ay. Na beep punta beep activate. Na beep punta beep sa bawat galaw. Pawapunta beep sa bawat galaw. Wanna beep. Pawapunta beep sa bawat galaw ay. Oh, he's bleeding. Pawapunta beep sa bawat galaw. Ay na beep pawapunta beep sa bawat galaw ay. Ano ba? Hindi. Layo ko. Ako enjoy this. Tikals. Monday. Sticks. We need the regen thingy. papapunta-bip, papapunta-tipip, sa bawat kalaway. Okay, tabi. Isn't much as faithful, by the way. Papapunta-bip, papapunta-bip-bip. Unlike the real one from the movie. Okay. Do not slide! Increase. Papapunta-bip. Next is the fire ice torch machine. We're gonna do it all at once. We're gonna press RB button. Activate. 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 Oh my god, oh my god. So much chaos! If it is burning. Okay, that is too much. Also, this is my copy and my autosave. But they don't have any autosaves. This is my first autosave. Papapunta-bip is the depth. I'm gonna go to the end of the border for this one. Okay, we're at the end of the border. And then the one that I wanted to show you was this one. The instant death thingy. Normally, it doesn't work that much. It just simply kills you. Okay, let's test it on this test dummy. Okay, let's activate the button. Activate. Kita cuesta, kita nace tingawa di sita resta, takas ni drakas termina resta, kalisina katikas tamalikina resta. Okay, because okay, now we have the legless melon. He's a melon without legs, and then instead. But flies instead of crawls. Just look. Gonna press the button. And also the button had the no disable thingy like this. Yeah, I disabled the collisions. Okay, next one. I'm gonna go to the water map for this one. Hello, is there camera? Oh, that's just the green dot. This over there. The water. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. This is my pet POP, my pet be like. This is not my real pet. My pet is a dog, and he actually doesn't like me. Let me see if this guy is deadly. Kumalada, sumadesta, resta. Kustamen, resta. Kada resta, resta. Resta, kumaletas, kusareta, kusapete, resta. Kustareta, ubadisa, resta. Are you done? Resta kuna, resta kuna, resta, resta. Resta kuna, resta. The corpses. Unfreeze. Actually, is that fierce? My dog is actually that fierce. Quasi say malasti man nagka-stream na gesta. Ganiti ko sa namin debel. Gusto malesta. I'm not gonna go back. Okay. Now we add Tetris. Don't know how this game works. I don't know how this one works. But okay. Resta kuna resta kuna resta kuna resta resta kuna resta kuna resta. Activate. Activate. I don't know how Tetris works in this game. Now we have the head crusher. This is one of the most simplest torture devices that I've made. And it is not that easy to use. Because maybe the head could get out and then just to like nah. Yeah, it works on it works on tomato, by the way. Now we have a 3-story house. This is not mine. It is from the workshop. Okay. Go technology. Okay. Now I'm gonna be also making a story. And also going to be showing it in one of my videos in the future. But overall, let's just remove that. Now we have a torture machine. Ladder. Now strapped to the chair. We're going to activate it. Activate. What's happening? Already dead. Now we have a torture machine. Another one. Kumarela, 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 kista, kumarela, kumarista, resta, kumarela, kumarela, kista, kumarela, kumarela, resta, kumarela, kumarela, resta, kumarela, kumarela, resta, kumarela, kumarista, resta. So much is going on! Now we have apple torture. Let me show you to you guys also. Huh? Bruh. Hello? Wait, maybe the game is lagging. Clear everything. Clear. RBT. 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 Relictor, di ko na decapitate. There. Now how we have a rainbow memory. Kind of a lagi one. Kumarela, mis la resta. An orbital, I love this entity. It is from the backrooms. Marila. Lake. I really love this entity. I really love this one. Kumarila, resta. Kumarila, resta. Okay, let's test it on corrupted blueberry. Hey, you! Hey, what are you doing? How are you eating me? Hello? That's not a nice thing to do. Ah! And they make a video about it, by the way. Now we have cake. Where's it? Ah! Hello? Okay. Now we have the destroyable house. Just wait. There. Now I gotta clear everything because it's clear everything. Everything. No. Now I have entity 129. Hello? You made a skin. And got 0. It. Now entity 638. Hello? Wait, I still haven't seen if this entity is if this one is actually dangerous. What is this? Ah! You joke! Now we have entity 6948. 48. Let's see if he's killable. Oh, he's already dead. Wait, where did you come from? What's this? Is it a no? Go away! Now it's me. Juliet. No. Party room. Party goer. Psycho book. A cyber melon. Explosive melon. Which is actually explosive. Don't know if it explodes when touching water. Doesn't. But it dies. Ah. This is how it works. This is proof that it actually explodes. Hello? Hello, Daddy. Nah, that's just my voice line. Hello, can we go to the park? No. Very easy to use. Overall, this is better than the normal melon. Hello, kind sir. I can get. And this is actually good for raging moments. Oh, what is this? Oh, no! Ah! What is this?
Taiwan.
No, it's this. I don't know.
Okay.
And this is for the gun.
United States.
Okay. Hello, don't go away. Okay, let us test it out on the melon.
Switzerland.
Please. Please.
Ay, Brazil.
Activate.
Bangladesh.
And that is all of my saves. I'm gonna show you 2 more saves. Grab pack 30. Which I don't know how it works. No. Damay kayo is lagging. Now I'm not gonna show you those 2 by Sassy. Just gonna tell the names of them. It is Grab Pack for 10 little brains. Bye bye.